Alright, welcome back to a brand new video, and today I'm going to be continuing the series on clicking simulator, on how to make a clicking simulator. So today we'll be doing a like a super click button, so it gives like a lot of clicks, but there's a big cooldown on it. And we'll be also doing the upgrade shop. So yeah, let's go. So first off, we'll do the super click button. So for that, copy your clicker button, drag it like that, and make it a bit smaller, and rename it to super click. Yep. Now you can go in the local script in it and delete everything, because we'll send you the script, and then we can change the color. Now mine is not a color, it's a gradient. So yeah, we'll make it red like this, and I can say super click or something. I don't know. Yeah, okay. And in the button you can add a text label. Put it about here, or on the side maybe, like this. And this is going to be our cooldown text. So you can write in cooling it down and make it red like this. It's really cool. And rename this text button, text label, sorry, to cooling down, and make it unvisible, so like gun properties and uncheck visible. So now it's going to rename this local script to super click. Alright, cool. So now I can go in the local script, which is in the super click button. I can do local player is equal to game.players. I can't type today. The local player, and local clicks, or is it tabs or click? Okay, we did tabs. Okay, so local tabs is equal to player waits for child clicks, or leader stats, and then colon with child tabs. Nice. And let's do local debounce is equal to false, and then local cooldown is equal to the number you need to wait until you can make another super click. Mine is going to be like 10 seconds, and yep, that's it. So now I can do script.parent.activated. So when you press it, activated, by the way, is basically almost the same as mouse button one click, but honestly I don't know the difference. I'm pretty sure it's the same, but activate is a lot easier to write, and I don't know. Yeah, I prefer activated. But anyway, so you can do if debounce is equal to false, then debounce equals to true, and then you can do tabs. The value is equal to tabs. The value plus, and then the amount of tabs you want to get. Now instead of doing tabs of value equals tabs of value plus and then a number, you can do plus equal. It's a lot easier and it's basically the same. So we'll do like 50 tabs, but times yeah, we'll do another variable here, but instead it's going to be rebuffs. So instead of tabs, you can do rebuffs. And yeah, make sure that make sure this in the parentheses here is the same as in your leader stats, and then in the right here at the line 14 for me. So yeah, make sure it's the same. And you can do times rebuffs the value. Nice. So now you can do wait cooldown debounce equals to false. Nice. Also we'll do script.parent.cooling down, which is our cooling down text, dot visible equals to true. And down here you can do script.parent.cooling down the value dot visible equals to false. And that works perfectly, probably. Let's see. Let's test it out. So boom. And oh, I forgot something. Let me check. So what's wrong? Okay, yeah, so tabs of value, we'll just do equal tabs the value plus, and then these in parentheses. Should work now. Oh, okay. So I know why it does that. So basically, why it doesn't work, the reason why it doesn't work is we're doing 50 tabs, so plus 50 tabs times rebuffs the value, and rebuffs the value is equal to 0. Currently we have 0 rebuffs, so it makes 50 times 0 is equal to 0, and that's why it doesn't work. Alright, but the code does work though. So to fix that, we can do times rebuff the value plus 1. And now it should work. Boom. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about my microphone. So yeah, it does work. As you can see, we get 50 tabs, and there is a 10 seconds cooldown. I cannot spam it, but when it stops cooling down, boom, I can do it. And that's pretty cool. All right. So it gives basically a lot more tabs, but it has a higher cooldown. So yeah. And now, so right now we're getting 50 with the super rebuffs, super click, sorry. But if you get a rebuff, or get 2 actually, we'll get 150. If you get 2 more rebuffs, we'll get 250, I think. Yeah. Okay. And that's pretty cool. As you can see, we have 6 rebuffs, so we get 7 taps. That's pretty cool, right? That's pretty cool. So yeah, super click button is done. So now we can do the upgrade GUI. So to do that, go to your rebuff button, copy it or duplicate it, drag it down Now I think for a upgrades button it needs to be purple. I don't know. Well, make it purple like this. Nice color. Yeah, that's nice. And you can rename this button to upgrades. And I'm gonna rename that to rebirth frame, so we don't confuse. Alright, nice. Change the text to upgrades, of course. Text size to 25, so it doesn't go outside the button. And nice. Now, okay, that's good. Oh yeah. Now that we changed the name of the rebirth frame, we'll have to change it in the open button script too. So rebirth frame. That's the name of it right now. Nice. So now we can copy the rebirth frame, make it visible, and then change the title to upgrades menu. Now the UI gradient to the one of our button, like this. Pretty cool. And now button 1 will be I don't know if it's gonna cost gems or tabs. That's what I'm thinking about right now. Actually, it's just gonna cost tabs, I'm pretty sure. Nah, it's gonna cost gems. So, yeah, it's gonna cost gems. So you can close that real quick. Go to your leader stats. Yeah, copy these 3 lines. Change rebuffs to gems. Boom. Actually put that above the rebuffs line. Makes more sense. I don't know. So now we have gems. It's pretty cool. If you click play, you'll see we have gems. Nice. We have 0 gems right now, but that's fine. Now to actually get gems. Is this a, okay? So yeah, this is a upgrades frame. I'm gonna rename the other one to upgrades frame. Right, and the local script of the upgrades button, you can do the name of the frame. Copy that, paste it here. Nice. Whoops. Alright, cool. And it's pretty simple. All you have to do is go to the local script of your button, go to buy, and here we can do player with shall later style with shall gems this time dot value plus equal to plus equals to script dot parent dot price dot value times 10. Yeah. Alright, cool. And copy this line, paste it in the other button script, this one. Boom. And nice. So now we can close, or we can uncheck visible of the rebirth frame or menu. And if we rebirth now, you'll see that we get, actually I'm gonna do the super quick. We get 100 gems because we did the price, which is 10, and then, well, times 10. So for example, 25 tabs for 2 rebuffs. 25 times 10 is 250. We'll get 250 gems. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So yeah, nice. Sorry about that. Okay. Now we can make the upgrades frame. So open it, and instead of this text right here, we can do click cooldown. Yeah, click cooldown. And for example, like 1,000 gems, or actually 10. And here we can do these, and we can do like the 1 on 10. Alright, cool. Copy this, paste it here. 3, yeah. So yeah, and then we can add a local script and this button, and do while wait 0.01 do. Now, why do I put this? Basically, like the wait like this, it runs so fast that it can crash your game. So do 0.01 or 0.1. Yeah. And do script dot parent dot text is equals to and then let that, so leave the script and do what can we do? We can add a number value in the button called current value, which is going to be 1 for now, and every time we upgrade it, it's gonna go to 10, or to like 2, then 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. So actually gonna rename this local script to text, and we can do script.parent.current value and 2 dots. Actually, I'm gonna do like this. And then slash 2 dots. 2 dots basically means when you like add something to a string. For example, here we do like these square brackets thing, and then we add 2 dots because we are adding something to the string. The string is basically the text, so this, and we're adding the current value to the string. So it's gonna do like square brackets and then the amount of times you upgraded the thing, which is the current value basically. Then we'll add slash, just like this, basically. So 1 slash and then 10. And oh, sorry about that. Nice, like this. And I can do click cooldown. And basically the price. So script the parent the price the value, 2 dots again. How's it called again? Space and then gems, like this. So now if we like, for example, change the price to 50, it's going to be 1 on 10, click cooldown, 50 gems, as you can see. It's just pretty cool. So put the gems price to about 1,000, because it's very easy to get, and also because this is the first time you upgrade this upgrade. So you're gonna do buy and do right here where it says : wait for shout taps, you do gems, and then gems here too, minus equal, just grab up here and press the value, and you can delete that line too. And then you can do script parent dot price dot value times equal to math dot random 1 to 2. Yeah, 1 to 2. So basically, what's math dot random? Basically, when you do math dot random and then parentheses a number comma another number, it will do a random between these two numbers. So it can be 1.54, or it can be like 1.99, for example. I don't know. So now, wait, go back to the buy and then do player wait for child leader stats : wait for child leader stats. Not leader stats. What am I saying? So parentheses string. Wait a minute. No, this is in the upgrades folder. So instead of leader stats, you do upgrades, and then click cooldown the value plus equal minus equal actually to 0.1. So every time you will upgrade the click cooldown, the click cooldown will be minus 0.1. And since there is 10 upgrades, so since you can upgrade this 10 times, well, at the end you'll get a click cooldown of 0.1. And actually, we'll not do 1 to 2, we'll do 5 to 10. Yep. So yeah, that's nice. Can copy everything in the button 2. Actually, this is going to be in a future video. This upgrade will be in a future video, so stay tuned. So now we can go in the upgrades menu. Okay, it was already a thing. So now we need to have gems to upgrade our click cooldown, right? So right now our click cooldown is 1 second. 1, 2, 3. Actually, to prove you that there's a difference, I'm going to go to the buy script and remove the click cooldown to 0.5. So there's like, you can see the difference. So so we can get taps. As you can see, the click cooldown is 1 right now, so I cannot spam. You can hear my mouse right now, I think. I am spamming, but I cannot go fast because there is a click cooldown of 1. But if I rebirth, I get 250 gems. I need 1,000 right now, and as you can see, I cannot because I don't have 1,000. So if I click quickly get to 1,000, so we'll farm for 1,000. Okay, we got 1,000, and now boom, my as you can see, the how's it called? The price got multiplied by between 5 and 10. So yeah, and I lost my gems, as you can see here, and my click cooldown is now faster, I think. Let me just see in thingy. Click cooldown. Okay, wait. Oh yeah, I forgot to do something. Script apparent dot current value equals to or plus equal to 1. And here I don't know why it didn't work right here. What if I do equal? Or sometimes the plus equal doesn't work, but it's pretty rare. So let's try it. Let's try without. So come on, doesn't load. Okay, I think I lost connection or something because it doesn't load. Okay, I'm gonna play again maybe. Dude, my game is not loading. What the heck? Okay. It's pretty nice. My game is not loading. I cannot. Come on. Load, please. Oh my god. Splendid. I don't know if I lost connection, but I can. Oh, here we go. Okay, so my character doesn't load too. That's fine, I guess. So and get clicks, get rebuff, or actually I don't have enough right now. Boom, got a rebuff, super click, get another rebuff, or 2 more. Let's get up to 1,000 gems. Boom, super click. Alright, I have 1,000. So now, boom, it says 2, as you can see. 7,000 gems now instead of 5,000, because it's a random, as you know. And now, let's see. Okay, it still doesn't work. I don't know why it does that. Let's try multiple things, like do variable for it or something. I think I know why. So what if I, instead of in value, I do number value? Also gonna make the price to a bit less because it's a tutorial, so I need to test stuff, and I don't want to farm like a lot to test something, you know. What the heck? Why do I have the noob lag? Okay, I don't know. So Now it's 100 because I changed the price to 100. Super click. Boom. Boom. Nice. So, oh, okay, there you go, it works now. So, the reason why it didn't work is because sometimes end values are not working really well. So if it doesn't work, and if it's a end value, change the value, or change the value type to number value, and you'll read the stats where it says instance on new, and then parentheses, and then the name of the value. Change that to number value and it will work. So now you can actually put back the price to 1000 and also do minus equal because it's a lot easier. Select these. Let's do, instead of 0.5, you probably saw the difference. If you didn't, then don't pause the video, but like you know, rewatch the video at this moment. So yeah, but yeah, that works. The upgrades work. So now we'll do the last thing for this video, because this video is getting pretty long. I think it's been 30 minutes now at the recording. So yeah, go to the rebuff menu and add in a button. You can put it like right here. Put the title a bit downwards, nice. Let's do this. Background color to a bit darker so you can actually see the button. And you can rename that to rebuff menu. Add in a text label in the button that you just inserted. Background transparency to 1. Size to 1,0,1,0. Font to whatever you want. Text scaled. Wait, that's not the font. This one, yeah. Can rename that to rebuffs. Yeah, just rebuffs actually. Nice. Actually, I just renamed it to rebuffs. The button, I just renamed it to rebuffs instead of rebuffs menu. So, but basically, what it will be is it will be a button to toggle or to navigate to different frames. Nice. Change this to super rebuffs. Yep, that's what we're gonna do right now. And after that, we'll end the video because it's getting pretty long, as I said. I forgot the text, or if you have a UI gradient in your text, in your text button, change the text to nothing and text transparency to 1. If you don't have a UI gradient inside your button, you don't need to add a text label inside your button to do the text. You can just type in right here in the properties of your rebuffs button. Okay, so actually gonna change super rebuffs color to like something else, like red or something. Like, no, actually green, because green is a great color. It's the color of my channel. Green. I love green. Green is insane. So yeah, cool. Have super rebuffs button. So now you can do you can add a local script inside your rebuffs rebuffs button toggle for later, so don't open it yet. That's gonna be for later. Then you can duplicate the rebuff frame, make the previous one invisible, and rename this one to super rebuff frame. You can change the text to super rebuff frame menu. And we can actually put the UI gradient of this button in the frame and delete the current UI gradient. Alright, it looks awesome. So now here we can do 10 rebuffs for one super rebuff. The same for this one actually. For 25 rebuffs for 2 super rebuffs. Nice. So when you have your 2 frames, so this one and this one, go to this one and go in the local script that we inserted in the rebuffs. This one button. The script.parent.activated connects function script.parent.parent.parent super rebuff frame.visible equal to false, and script.parent.parent.visible equals to true. And you can copy this local script, put it in the second or the super rebuffs toggle button, and you can like the false put it to true and the true to false. You can duplicate the local script again and then do Control X to cut it. Make the rebuff frame invisible and the super rebuff frame to visible. Go to this button and do Control Shift V to paste it. And then instead of these 2 lines, do script .parent.parent.parent.rebuff frame .visible. So this is this button, by the way, is equal to true, and script.parent.parent.visible equals to false. Copy the local script again, put in super rebuffs button, and you can do false here and true here. Easy. You should be able to do that pretty easily, and then uncheck visible to both frames. Now click play and just watch me. Go to rebuff, and now you can switch. Isn't that super cool? So you can go in super rebuffs menu or rebuffs menu. If you wanna get some normal rebuffs, you can just click that. If you wanna get some super rebuffs, you go there. Now it doesn't work for now, but we'll do that in the next video because it's been 37 minutes. So I'm gonna let the screen like this, and once we do the episode 3, I'm gonna do the super rebuffs system. So yeah, see ya. Also make sure to subscribe because it helps a lot. And also thank you, yeah, I almost forgot to say that, but thank you so much for 4K subscribers. It's a lot and it helps me a ton, so thank you so much. And road to 5K. Alright, see ya.